Hello guys and welcome back to my video. Today we're gonna play game with my clowder again, but it's not frosty or waterfall, it's rainfall. Oh, here's my leader. She always add clowder. Oh, I think she's a fact, so they are fast, so I think we'll make an other. Let me see. Okay, this video about tag, dockable, and wait a second, and planter. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, here we are in tag. Not even. Okay, so and now is duckable. I will get rid of it. Already cat. 6 out. I think that there is a 100 try. Oh, no. Okay. Sprinkle Speed is my friend, AP2. She always wants to hit me. And do you know what she used? Laptop, iPhone, or yes, do you know it? It's a phone because look at the way she runs so you can know. Oops, I will make it in the next video about Fruit Hunter. Actually, I make a video about Fruit Hunter. So I should running away from her, but I want to see her. So it's the end of my video. I think it's bad, but see, she always want to hear me. Oh, but it's the end of my video. Goodbye.